We are going to give this a test out here. As you can see, this poor car has no alternator belt, and therefore, to move it, I'm going to try jumping the battery first, and if that doesn't work, I'm going to have to tow it out of the way. It's kind of blocking the driveway a little bit. Although I don't want to part with this vehicle, that might be a possibility in the future, so at the very minimum, I gotta move it out of the way. So let's try this out. It's got a flashlight in it, a couple of USB chargers. Not bad, not bad. Alright. Fun doing this with the fucking camera here. We're trying to get an angle where you guys can see, but where I can actually do this and not look like a fumbling buffoon. It's a fine balance. Pretty short cord here. Make sure we're on here. We got a green. We are ready to fire this card up. Yeah, this jumps a little diesel, that's for sure. Definitely works. I think one of these would be invaluable to have in your car or truck. Everyday carry, along with jumper cables and the usual. These are fairly new to my generation. I didn't know about these until a couple years ago. And yeah, a couple $100, but if you have car issues like I do and find yourself stranded in your driving history, yeah, this is really, really good to have.